How to use your free sticker in under 2 minutes. When you go to put your information in, you'll be given this pop-up menu where you can click to download the free sticker, and it's going to appear in your downloads folder or whatever folder you set. You'll also get an email, and that email will have a link to the downloads as well. But we recommend that you go ahead and get it from the pop-up window since you're just right there anyway. But the email will give you some other information that might be helpful, and it'll give you links to back to the site to take a look at the other versions of the e-sticker. So once you download it, you're going to want to go ahead and just click on the installer. This is what it will look like for the PC and for the Mac versions. They look slightly different, but we have them both here for you. So double click on the installer, click next, read and agree to the EULA. And then if you've copied that big long number, it'll appear within your registration code there already. You can enter your name and company name there if you want to. You don't have to. And that's it. It's installed. So restart Acrobat and go into the stamps area in your toolbars. This is the older legacy view of Acrobat. So yours might look a little different. I'll show you in a second. Select the promo e-sticker. Once you click on it, you simply just place it where you want and then type in what you want it to say. And let me go ahead and show you another one here. We're going to go ahead and select the stamp up in the stamps pull down menu. It will say promo e-sticker. Then you click, type in what you want, and then you are on your way. That's as easy as it gets right there. Now, if your view doesn't look like this, it means that you may be in the newer version of Adobe Acrobat. So you're going to want to enable or change the view to be this one, or you can go, I'm going to show you what it looks like in the newer view. The tools are now located in the upper left-hand side instead of the right-hand side, but you'll see the stamps looks just like the original stamps. There's an area for you to pull down. You select that same promo e-sticker. Just slide over, click the sticker, place the stamp, put in whatever text you'd like to. And once you hit OK, it's going to place it right where you wanted it. You can place another one. Obviously, you could open another document and do your next exhibit number and then place that. And that's it. That's how easy it is.